thanks for checking out this video. That was Tenderly by Walter Gross. This is meant to be fairly simple and straightforward guitar arrangement of the tune. And so you can take this, learn this, and maybe adjust it to your own liking, or let it move into your own type of arrangement. Leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing on this tune. Let me know if you have any questions about it. And be sure to like and subscribe to help support the channel. It really does help out. So in the next section, we're going to do a kind of two measure segment at a time. We'll have a close-up on the guitar neck and also some tablature notation. All right, well, let's get started with that. Okay, here we start out in 10th position. Gonna play E flat major 7. I'm not gonna go too much into the exact voicings. The harmony will describe the basic overall chord progression. Okay, A flat 9. Now you could stay on this voicing and pluck strings 2 and 3, but in this arrangement I've moved that same shape over and I'm gonna strum this whole chord. The melody is on strings 1 and 2, and then we're going to land on E flat minor 9. Okay, our goal is to hold that string 2, let that ring, and then we're gonna rearrange the other fingers to give us an inversion of the A flat 13. And then we're going to just pluck those 3 strings. Okay, we're going to kind of pivot off that 4th finger, moving into 3rd position. So this is going to be very much like the beginning. So that's for F minor 9. D flat 9. Okay, and we're going to land on an inversion of E flat major. Now again, the chord symbols represent the overall harmony. We're going to create some motion in here because there's a lot of space. So I'm going to move up. 3rd position. Okay, we're just going to shift up a little bit and then back down. Okay, so that will have us land on the right side of that double bar line with the F minor 7 flat 5. Now we're going to move up to 8th position, 6th position, and then again back down to 2nd position. So that gives us a little motion, a little movement into this. Now we're going to play in 1st position, 8th position, 6th position. Okay, we're going to keep that note on string 2 going. I move the chord underneath, and then keep that chord going and play string 2, fret 6. And then we're moving to position 3 with the C minor. Moving to position 6. Moving to position 10. Moving to position 7. Okay, and then moving to position 1. And then position 6. Try to keep that top note going and move our voicing a little bit. Moving up to 10th position again, so this is the halfway point of the tune. So this part will be just like the beginning for now. Again, moving to position 6, position 4. Again, holding that pinky finger, changing the chord below, kind of pivoting from the pinky, but moving first finger to 3rd fret, 3rd position, going to this F minor 9. And then again, we're back to this E flat major. There's no 7 in this voicing. Okay, and then doing this little walk up, walk down kind of thing, and then kind of a half step motion into the F minor 7 flat 5. Again, the chords reflect the harmony, not necessarily the chord at the given moment. Okay, we're going to go to first position. Then we're going to go to position 8, position 8. Position 6. Chords changing underneath. Position 3. Then we're moving into position 6, position 10, okay, and then position 7. We're going to try to keep that top note going, change the chord underneath for the F sharp minor. We're going to reach over to fret 11, play some of these melody notes. We're going to go to position 10. Okay, and F minor 9, B flat 7, and landing on the E flat 6 in position 4. So that gives us our arrangement. Okay, next up we'll go into the play along segment. Of course, you could always watch it and then try to emulate it from there if you're not ready to play along at that tempo. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great practice session.